This is inventory over the last 5 years. And we can currently see over the last month, we were at 302. We're downward, but this is what I'm talking about. In December, it goes down, and then it starts building through the summer, and then we hit December of 21, and it goes down, and it builds through the summer. December, January, February, always the low point. But we have this down and then back up, and then down and then back up, and now we're down. Now we're back up, and we've grown more over the last year than we have over the last 5. But if this report encompassed 10, 15, 20 years, we would see that these trend lines, this is what the trend line is, and it just slowly grows. Now, the up went pretty up. We had almost 400 homes for sale at the peak, 395. So the down, we're at 302. It's going to go down even more here in January as we're working through that inventory right now. There's going to be less inventory in January and February, and that drop is going to look a lot more precipitous, but that's because the high was higher than it has been, and we expect those deltas to exist. New listings over a 5-year period. In December, we had 68. At the high point of the year, we were at 300. But check it out. We haven't been anywhere close to 300 since May of 2022. It took us 3 years to get back to this 300 homes on the market. Homes were moving so quickly. The market was so overwrought and so overfired that houses were coming on the market. And there just were not enough homes on the market, that what was coming on the market was moving quickly, that we would only have a couple hundred at most, and we got down to anemic levels in the winter months. And indeed, we're actually there. We're actually lower than we have been in December of 22 and 23. What does that mean for the longer term? That means that we're going to have less new listings potentially in February and March. But in March, April, and May, the number of listings are going to go up. There are going to be more houses for sale. That's just the nature of the seasonality of our market.